I do have to say, I'm a little bit surprised. You would think that the news of Shibarium possibly going live at this ETH event in Toronto next month would have sparked a little bit of a move to the upside when it came to the price of SHIB, but it really hasn't done that. What it just shows right now is that those macro factors outside of crypto have a lot bigger influence on the market than you'd expect, right? Obviously, we're working on combating inflation, and we're dealing with high interest rates and even the possibility of a looming recession. All this stuff is weighing heavily on investors. So you're just not seeing this type of movement. But what this does present is big opportunity. So we now have news that we may have the single most biggest launch in Shiba Inu history, the single most biggest day. We know that may be coming here in just a month, but the prices have stayed low. That's an opportunity to continue to add to our bag at what I consider to be these cheap prices. Now, as always, this is not financial advice, and you guys can do what you want. But if you haven't yet taken advantage of these opportunities to dollar cost average and build your bag at these times, I need to tell you this, okay? These times are not going to be around forever. Cheap crypto, especially at these levels, is not going to be around forever. What do you think it's going to be like when, inflation truly does flatten, when we finally get to the Fed's goals and rates start coming down? Now, I don't think this is happening anytime soon as far as the rates coming back. I think that they start to roll them back maybe at some point next year. But you guys get the point. The times are not going to be like this forever. And right now, we are on pace for a normal bear market cycle. That's what I think people get a little confused about. We're actually on pace with where we should be at this point. And what that means is that as we move through the second half of 2023, which we are now officially in, the price of crypto should begin to creep up a little bit. We should actually finish this year on a green note. I think BTC is probably going to finish the year somewhere between 35 to 40K. If we get some good news, maybe BTC pushes 45. And by the Bitcoin halving, we may be up to 50K. All right. As always, again, this is not financial advice. But remember what the factors outside of crypto are. Not even just the bad macro factors, but remember how much money is ready to flow into crypto. Remember the adoption that now lies there for Shiba Inu with Shibarium, the burns that are going to happen, all the projects that are going to be built. There's a lot of great things happening in the future here, and there are some people that, frankly, are going to miss out on this opportunity. Don't forget how fast Shiba Inu can move. We're down around the same price where that rally in the last market cycle began. Okay, began around this 5073 level, and then over the course of a month, it ran up to 4088. Truly remember this. Now, I'm not saying or guaranteeing that this is going to happen, but just remember what happens. As there is less supply available in the market, as you have more people willing to hold long term and not separate from their bags, the price moves a little bit easier. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take advantage of opportunities that are in front of you. This doesn't even apply just to Shiba Inu. There are other projects out there that I believe are heavily discounted right now, and they may not be for long. So have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Show your love below, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.